Imagine soaring through the skies as effortlessly as riding a bike. Introducing the Zapata AirScooter, a groundbreaking personal flying machine that's redefining the future of individual air travel. Created by French innovator Frankie Zapata, known for the Flyboard Air, the AirScooter is a hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing. VTOL, aircraft designed with simplicity, safety, and sustainability in mind. Powered by 14 propellers and a hybrid electric system, the AirScooter reaches a top speed of 100 公里每小时, 62 mph, and offers over 2 hours of flight time, covering up to 160 kilometers, 99 miles on a single trip. Its cockpit features intuitive VR-style joysticks for a user-friendly video game-like flying experience. A fly-by-wire system ensures stability and makes it easy to control even for beginners. Safety is a top priority. The AirScooter's carbon fiber composite body keeps it strong yet lightweight, while computer-assisted controls enhance both performance and protection. Designed to comply with the US FAA's Part 103 ultralight regulations, it can be flown without a pilot's license in the United States. Priced at approximately $128,000, the AirScooter is expected to launch in 2026, initially available through select flight centers. With this innovative machine, Zapata envisions a future where the sky becomes a new frontier for personal exploration and adventure. Experience the freedom of flight. The Zapata AirScooter, your journey to the skies begins here.